Hey, how's everybody doing? Hey, I got a little, just a short product review, box opening on a BernzOmatic propane torch. I've been needing one for a while and keep putting it off. What got me on this is I got a couple lug nuts on an old dump truck and I couldn't get them off. I needed to heat them up, and I don't have a settling system, and I just needed something small and portable, something to just take care of heating up a couple of bolts. And I'd read where MAP gas gets you up to like 2400, which is enough to braze and definitely enough to red up a bolt. Anyway, let's go ahead and do a little box opening on this and see what we got here. This is a model TS8000 BZKC. Let me go ahead and get her open here and pull her out of the box and see what we got here. There's the torch, and here's a bottle, which I bought this one that came with matte gas. You can buy it separate too. From what I can tell, man, this feels heavy duty. I could have went cheap. They had one for like $20 something, and they had another one for $30, and this was actually the high one. This was like $60, I think, $60 or $70. But I figured, buy it once, buy the best one you can buy. The reason I bought this one is for one reason. It has a regulator valve here. The cheaper one, the cheaper BernzOmatic one, didn't have the regulator valve on it. And I figure, there's times you want to adjust your heat. So I went ahead and the extra, I think $15 or so to get the valve on there. This is made out of, by the way, this is not plastic. This is made out of, it feels like, that's probably cast iron. I mean, that's kind of what it feels like. It's definitely not aluminum. It's I would say that's casted. It's casted steel. Here's the instructions. Probably not a whole lot to them. I mean, I think we all kind of know how to use one of these. So anyway, I'll just put them to the side. I'm sure you just screw the torch onto the bottle, and that should do the trick. And well, we'll just give her a try. Wow. I don't know if you can see that, man. I like having that valve too. Well, you can make her into a blowtorch too. Boy, I love that electronic start too. And I guess on this, it looks like you got a lock, so you can lock this so you don't accidentally ignite the torch. And then yeah, the little button on top there is to hold it to where it continues to ignite. Wow, cool. Well, I don't want to sit here and waste a whole bunch of gas just lighting in it, but that's pretty much it. Lights up every time, man. That is cool. Turn the valve down a little bit there. I'm liking that. And I guess you could, if you wanted to, you could just take it off and store it. Yep, okay, yeah, I figured it was a valve there. But anyway, hopefully, there you go. There's a close look at the torch. It's all, I mean, this is brass. It feels like heavy steel. I mean, this is, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and spend the extra money because this is not some light, cheap plastic item. It's definitely, I can tell, it's casting quality. Tickled I went ahead and spent the extra little bit of money and got what basically was the best one they had on the shelf. Can't beat that. Yeah, I'm a liking. Anyway, just a short little review on it. I couldn't find anything on these, and like I said, I think they even had one for like $15. But man, it was just like a little brass piece with a valve and a spark igniter. I definitely wanted the auto igniter, and just a nice little addition to have around the shop. For, like I said, to loosen up lug bolts. Also, if you're doing any heavy cable terminal soldering, this would be real handy for that. And also, if you're doing any plumbing, any copper pipe or anything. I like to build antennas too. I think I could really use this for putting the copper pipe together. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, guys, have a great day. This is the Electron Man.